Hi everybody, it's he is Mama and Son, and we've got an anxious boy before school who wants to learn how, or help out and do a video on how to clean his bathroom sink with baking soda, right?
Yeah.
And vinegar. So, it helps if you do this once a month to get any kind of molds that might be growing in there. Bleach is a great thing. It kills it, but it does not eat up the mold spores. So there are still dead mold spores in there, and those can be dangerous too. So in order to get rid of those spores, we are going to eat it up with the vinegar. The vinegar and the baking soda actually eat all of that mold and anything else that's down there. So would you take some of that and shove it in there? Let's show them how that is done. Just pour some there. Yep, okay, that should be good.
Yeah.
Now we take our fingers, help me too, and we shove it down in the drain. Ta-da, ta-da. Hear it? Listen. You can hear it falling in there. Okay, so now that we've got baking soda inside the drain, and it's okay if it's there because the vinegar is going to eat that up. Get our fingers all good. All right, now we are going to take this vinegar and you want to pour. You hear all that fizzing? You want to put this on there. Hold that on there for me, please.
Okay.
And that's just your leftover fruit cup bowl. And you hear that sizzling?
Yeah.
Now lift the cup so we can hear it. You hear that?
Yeah.
All right, put it back down. All those bubbles and fizzing sound that you're hearing, is it working and eating up all the yucky stuff in there? Gotta hold it down in there. We're gonna pour some more vinegar, because guess what? The more vinegar you add, okay, lift it up again. Now listen, listen. You still hear those bubbles. So you still hear those bubbles, that means it's still working. I'll put it down. It has something to do with the vacuum and the air supply, and then it foams more is why we keep that on there. I don't know all the technical science behind it, but that's what I did when I found my research. And
Science class.
yeah, and that's how we clean a sink. Of course, early in the morning before school, I'm gonna try to keep up with this kid, but that's what he wanted to do today. So what do we say? Bye, until next time.
Subscribe and like.
Uh-huh.